video we are going to learn how to deal with ListViewActivity. The difference between ListViewControl and ListViewActivity is that in the ListViewControl, as we seen in previous tutorials, we can use the multiple controls with the ListViewControls. See here, this way we can get the multiple controls in same activity. But if you want to use the simple list view, then you can use this list view activity instead of list view control. And if you want to deal with multiple controls, you can use the list view controls. Let's see how to deal with list view activity. In the source package, right click on com.example.listviewControl as I named in my project. In that, right click new class, give a proper name. Let's say I give it to second. You can use the superclass by list activity, and you can also add the generate commands or whatever you want. If you don't want, you can unmark or uncheck this. Just finish. See, it will shows you the blank class. So in that case, we are going to create on create method for bundle. See, it is first displaying the override method in activity, which is this. Control Shift and F to auto format. Here we are not using set content view. See, as we seen in browse, we are use the superclass, which is list activity, so it is automatically extends the list activity class. Otherwise, we have to use the manually. And don't forget to use in this package, otherwise it will shows you the error in manifest file. So here after that we are going to use the list view. We are declaring the list view as a class level, so we can access its scope throughout the class. Let's say LV. So after that we are using the list view is equal to get list view for getting the list view. It is method. After that we are declaring a string array variable, let's say str. You can assign any values as per your needs, and if the items is more than your activity size or layout size, it will automatically add scroll view inside your layout or activity file. After that, same process as we seen in earlier tutorial. Array adapter we are using. Array adapter object. Here we are using this. In the resources, we are again using the Android package dot r dot layout dot simple list item 1. After that, array variable name. String is a type of binding. This is a we are setting for the shows the it is a string type of binding. After that we have to bind the adapter. by listview.set adapter. This way we can bind the adapter with listview. After that we are overriding methods. On click listener. For that we have to use listview.set on item click listener, new control space. It will shows you intelligence. Press enter. It will shows you the errors. Just import it. Add on implementation methods. It will automatically add the code. Place the semicolon. In that, as we seen, just we are printing the toast message, and also you can use the bind override the method on click listener, and also the set on item long click listener, as we seen in previous list view control. But we can use same way in list view activity. Toast dot make text, get application context. In that you have to use listview dot selected sorry selected item is listview dot get item at position, and the argument 2, or you can use the whatever you want with this variable name. Again set the duration. This way you can use the list activity by simple declaring the class. It is, as we see, it is not related with any set content view, which is layout file. After that, don't forget to mention in android.manifest file. You can use manifest file only one application tag, but in one application tag you can use multiple activity tags and intent filter. Let's see activity. It is automatically comes. Just enter name control space android name, pass the dot second, which is here it is a second name. Here we are using the dot operator for the, it will automatically import the package as a prefix com.example.listViewControl as my project name, or otherwise you can use the all hold the name with here with dot, and but here we are using this for easily and it is preferable. In that you have to set the intent filter. Just cut and paste. With it shows you the which is the main activity, and it will load the first activity in your emulator. Control Shift and F to auto format. Control Shift S to save all files. Don't forget to save files, otherwise it will shows you the error sometimes, or it will not working correctly. This way you can use the list activity class with simple declaring in one Java file class. See, right click, run as Android application. Here you can monitoring in console. It is installing your app. As per say, if you add more items here, it will automatically add the scroll view inside your list activity. And this way you can also use the set on item long click listener, as we seen earlier. The concept is same, but difference is we are using the class and we are not use the multiple controls in this case. If you want to deal with multiple controls, you have to use the list view control. See, it is started. See, selected item is C. This way it is working. And thank you for watching video. Subscribe us on YouTube, and thank you Nilay sir.